Hello everyone. Today's topic is religion and my views on it. Now, before I start with the topic, I would like to issue a disclaimer. My views on religion are just that, my views. They are not meant to hurt or offend anyone's sensibilities. And please know, in case you get offended, it was purely unintentional and I ask for your forgiveness. A little child once went to his mother and asked, "Is God man or woman?" The mother did not want to sound gender biased, and she thought for some time and said, "Both." The child took the answer, nodded, and went away. He came back after a few days and asked, "Is God black or white?" The mother was very intelligent. She did not want to sound racist, and so she said, "Both." The child took the answer and went away. He came back again after a few days and asked, "Is God gay or straight?" The very intelligent mother did not want to color the child's mind, and she said, "Both." "Ah, God is Michael Jackson. Now I've understood." This is how he formed his opinion of God. I don't know how you have formed yours. Do you? Jokes apart, did you choose to follow the religion that you follow? Did you choose to be a Hindu, a Muslim, a Sikh, Christian, Baha'i, Buddhist, Jaini, Zoroastrian, or any other religion that you follow? Did you, after conscious thought, effort, understanding, comparisons, come to the conclusion and decide to follow one God, many gods, no God at all as your religion? Religion does not come to us. We are born into it. It is a belief system of the family that we are born into. And in most cases, we follow and adopt the same system. It is passed to us as a legacy for us to further pass it down to generations. This belief system helps us form certain values, imparts certain moral instructions to us. If the belief system is positive, makes us feel proud of our achievements, makes us feel proud of our actions, it is good. If this belief system, on the other hand, is rigid, makes us do things that in the long run we are ashamed of, we need to have a relook at religion and our understanding of it. People world over follow various belief systems. They follow various religions, and rightfully so. Believers believe that religion is the path that will take them to salvation after life, whatever that means. I have no problem with that. However, my issue is when people say we are secular and we tolerate you. We are secular and we tolerate all religions. Tolerate? Is that how we have to see our fellow human beings? How would you feel if I tell you, "I am tolerating you"? I tolerate you. You are intolerable. Don't all religions speak of love, peace, harmony, acceptance, and coexistence of everyone just the way they are? मदिरालय जाने को घर से निकला था पीने वाला, किस पथ से जाऊं असमंजस में था भोला भाला। अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, पर मैं ये बतलाता हूँ, राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला। All religions are means to the same end. All religions teach the same thing. All religions give the message of peace, love, harmony, respect. What is the fight about that? I have been fortunate to come in contact with people from various religions, have openly accepted them, and have learnt a lot from them. I love the Hindu flexibility and acceptance. I love the Muslim discipline. I love the Sikh seva, service. I love the Jaini abstinence. I love the Buddhist calm. I love the Christian hand-holding and uplifting of others, and so on and so on. Religion to me is not a way of worship. It is a way of life. I don't need churches, temples, mosques to show my religion. Because my religion is humanity, which comes out in actions, in karma, in kindness, in deeds. I don't need big philosophies and rituals to prove my religion. It is here. Socrates said, common people look at religion as a truth. Wise people look at religion as a falsity. And rulers look at religion as something useful. Don't fall in the trap. बाकी समझदार को इशारे काफी है और आप सब तो बहुत समझदार हैं. Happy life.